Hello friends, welcome back to the warrior classes. Today in this video we will solve this algebraic problem, and the problem we have here is a square minus b square is 9 and a times b is 3. Then we'll have to find the value of a plus b. Please subscribe my channel and do not forget to give thumbs up to the video. Now for solution of this problem, first of all we'll let this equation 1 and a times b this equation as equation 2. Now first step for the solution of this problem, we'll square equation 1. Now the left hand side of equation is a square minus b square, and we'll square it to square, and right hand side we have 9, so 9 is square. Now it is in the form of a minus b whole square, and the formula of a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Likewise, in place of a it is a square, so we'll write a square and whole square minus 2 times a means a square and b means b square plus b square and whole square, and in the right hand side we have 9 square is 81. So now in the next step we'll simplify these equations. Now we'll write first a square and whole square, it is a powered by 4, and after that we'll write this term, this is in positive, so we'll write positive. B square and whole square is b powered by 4. Now 2 times a square b square, we can write it as negative 2 ab and its square. We have written ab square because we have the value of ab here, that is 3, and the equation is equal to 81. Now a times b is 3, so we can write it as 3 square. Now in the next step we can write a powered by 4 plus b powered by 4, and the value of this term is 3 square is 9, 9 times 2 is 18, so this will go to the right hand side, it will be positive, so we can write equal to 81 plus the value of this term is 18. Now we can write it as a powered by 4 plus b powered by 4, value is 81 and 18 is 99. Now we can write a powered by 4 as a square and whole square, a square and its whole square, likewise plus b square and whole square, that is equal to 99. So it is in the form of a square plus b square, means it is in the form of a square plus b square, and the formula in terms of a plus b is, we can write this as a plus b whole square and negative 2 times ab. So in place of a it is a square, so we can write it as a square plus b square and whole square minus 2 times a square and b square, that is equal to 99. So friend, one thing to mind here, we are making this term as positive here. Earlier it was as negative. So now it is a square plus b square and whole square minus 2 times ab means 2ab whole square, and that is equal to 99. Now the value of ab in the second equation we have 3, so it is 3 square. Now the value of a square plus b square and whole square is, here we will write 99, and this term will go in the right hand side, it will be positive, and 3 square is 9, 9 times 2 is 18, so we can write a square plus b square and its whole square, value is 99 and 18 is 117. Now from here we'll remove this square and this value will be square root, so we can write the value of a square plus b square, that will be plus minus square root 117. So 117 we can split as 9 and 13. So 9 is square of 3, so the value of this term will be 3 square root 13, and that will be in positive negative. So the value of a square plus b square is plus minus 3 square root 13. Now we have a square plus b square, here also a square plus b square, if we will negative 2 times ab we will get a plus b whole square. Now this a square plus b square we can write a plus b whole square negative 2 times ab, and that is equal to, here it is plus minus 3 square root 13. Now here the value of ab is 3, so we can write a plus b and whole square, that is equal to plus minus 3 square root 13. The value of this term is 3 times 2 is 6, and it is in negative, so the value will be in right side positive 6. So from here we can write the value of a plus b. Here we'll remove the square, so it will be square root plus minus square root. We'll write 6 first, so it is 6 plus minus 3 square root 13. So this is the value of a plus b. So friend, in the bracket we have two values, positive and negative. If the square root value is less than 0, then it will be imaginary, not real. Now we'll check the value inside negative value. It is 6 minus 3 square root 13. So 3 times square root 13 is more than 6. The value of this term will be less than 0. So it is negative. So we cannot accept the negative value. So here we'll take positive value. So it is plus minus square root 6 plus 3 square root 13. So friend, for real solution of a plus b, we can write it as plus minus square root 6 plus 3 square root 13. This is the real value of a plus b. This is our answer of the question. So friend, if you like the video, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching the video.